Hi and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Mecca. I make primarily microloc centered videos, but a bunch of lifestyle content too, so I hope you stay and check that out. But today we are getting into my 1.5 year microloc update. I am shook. So as of today, I've been locked for 1.5 years, which would be 17 months. I just want to show you guys my progress so far, talk about my routine just a little bit, and just kind of show you guys where I'm at in the process. So let's get into it. So in terms of my routine, not much has changed. I wash once a week consistently now. I am getting back on a cycle with the reties, but definitely had fallen off. So I had gone, I think I stretched it to like 9 or 10 weeks in between the last two. So it's been retied as of mid last month, but it was like a 9-week stretch, and I don't think that was the best bet for me. So I'm back on the schedule with that. Gonna stick to every 4 to 6 weeks, especially in my sensitive areas. Thank you for the commenters that suggested that to help deal with some of the thinning and breakage here. And then in terms of routine, still using the same Suave clarifying shampoo. I also still do a 3-point rotation, in case you didn't know that. And I think that's really has contributed to the fullness I've gained, because that's kind of something that I'm noticing happened. It got really big all of a sudden. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys that and talk a little bit about all of this. So let's get into it, period. So more changes in between this video and the last. I had dyed my locks. I will link that video if you haven't seen it. It's my most recent video, and I did dye my locks. I don't know if you can tell in this light. So to combat that, I have been just trying to make sure I keep my hair wrapped up at night now, sleeping with a bonnet or scarf as much as I can remember to, and then spraying my hair and, like I said, washing on more of a consistent schedule. I'm thinking of implementing a conditioner. I have not decided yet. So if you all use conditioner, let me know how that works for you in the comments. But the only other thing I've changed about my routine is I've incorporated castor oil. So I don't use it on the whole shaft, but I like to put it kind of where my parts mainly are, so down the center, or where I'm experiencing, like I said, some breakage or weakness. So I just kind of smooth it here, run it along the center, and call it a day. So overall, still really enjoying this journey. I am so pleased at the growth and overall health of my hair. Like I said, I've had a few mishaps, missing some locks and losing some ends, but otherwise my hair has literally never looked better. So I'll go ahead and now and just give you guys a visual. If I think of anything else, I will voice it over. But yeah, here's 1.5 years, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did have to cut this one a little bit short. My camera cut out, but thank you guys so much. You can check out more pictures of my hair, more details on this update on my Instagram at Mecca's Micros. But if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I hope you all have a lovely rest of your week. Bye-bye.